What do you call a turkey on the day after Thanksgiving? Lucky! What's the best dance to do on Thanksgiving? The turkey trot! What smells the best at Thanksgiving dinner? Your nose! Why did the turkey bring a microphone to dinner? Because it wanted to be heard. What's the best thing to put in a pie? Your teeth! Why was the turkey the star of the Thanksgiving play? Because it was full of stuffing. Why didn't the turkey eat dessert? It was already stuffed. Why do turkeys never tell secrets? Because they're afraid someone might gobble them up. What's a turkey's favorite game? Hide and seek. What side dish tells the best jokes? Corny bread. Why did the pilgrim's pants keep falling down? Because they wore their belt on their hat. What do you wear to Thanksgiving dinner? A harvest! What is a turkey's favorite weather? Foul weather! Why was the Thanksgiving soup so warm? It was full of stupidity! What do you get when you cross a turkey with an octopus? Lots of drumsticks. What's a turkey's favorite Thanksgiving song? I'm dreaming of a white Thanksgiving. What do you get if you cross a turkey with a ghost? A poultrygeist. Why did the apple pie cry? Its peelings were hurt. What did the turkey say to the computer? Google, Google, Google. If April showers bring May flowers, what do May flowers bring? Pilgrims! What happened to the turkey who got into a fight? He got the stuffing knocked out of him. Why don't turkeys like to play cards? Because they're afraid of getting roasted. Why did the turkey sit at the computer? It wanted to search the web for recipes. What did the turkey say when it was invited to Thanksgiving dinner? No thanks, I'm already stuffed. Why did the Pilgrims sail to America? Because they missed the boat to Italy. What do you get if you cross a turkey with a centipede? A Thanksgiving feast with plenty of legs. Why was the Thanksgiving dinner so math-heavy? Because it had division of the rolls and multiplication of the leftovers. What do you call a turkey that tells jokes? A cornball. Why did the pumpkin pie go to school? It wanted to be a little smarter. What's one thing that can never be stuffed on Thanksgiving? The fridge. Why are Thanksgiving leftovers always exciting? Because there's always more room for second helpings. What did the turkey say to the hunter on Thanksgiving Day? Quack, quack. What's the main ingredient in a Thanksgiving toast? Butter! Why didn't the turkey want seconds? It didn't want to be overdressed. What's the best way to burn off Thanksgiving calories? Black Friday shopping! It's a flower, but it doesn't bloom. It sounds like a month and it floats on water. What is it? The Mayflower. What key has legs and can't open doors? A turkey. Why was the Thanksgiving soup so expensive? It had 24 carrots. What's the most musical part of a turkey? The drumstick. Why did the turkey cross the road twice?
To prove he wasn't a chicken.
What do you get if you divide the circumference of a pumpkin by its diameter? Pumpkin pie. Why can't you take a turkey to church? Because they use foul language. What kind of face does a pilgrim make when he's in pain? Pilgrimace. What sound does a limping turkey make? Wobble, wobble. Why did the cranberries turn red? Because they saw the turkey dressing. I'm a fruit that is tart but paired with sweet. I'm red and small, and that Thanksgiving I'm a treat. What am I? A cranberry. If you like sweet side dishes, I have a vegetable as well as sugar and marshmallow. What am I? Candied yams. I am something you see each Thanksgiving, but I can also be an emotion. What am I? A smile. I'm a bird, but you might not want to see me fly. I get stuffed and served, but not in a pie. What am I? A turkey. I see you before Thanksgiving dinner. Sometimes I'm tall, sometimes I'm thin, but I'm not something you can eat. What am I? A candle.
You can keep me whole or break me apart. Either way, I'm important to the Thanksgiving heart. What am I? A wishbone. I am something you buy in the store, but as you eat more of me, I get smaller and smaller. What am I? A pie. I'm full of trees, but you never see me grow. I can be filled with animals, but no one hears me speak. What am I? A forest. I can be cracked, but I'm not a joke. I'm filled with meat, but served in no yolk. What am I? A nut. I'm something you touch at Thanksgiving, but never hear. I'm cutting to pieces, and on the table I appear. What am I? A napkin. I'm full of stuffing, but not alive. I'm often golden brown, but I can't survive. What am I? A roasted turkey. I'm round, sweet, and sometimes topped with cream. What am I? Pumpkin pie. I'm not food, but I'm part of the tradition. I'm seen in the morning with lots of television. What am I? The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. I am something found on the table and also in the sky. I can be warm and comforting, or dangerous and dry. What am I? Fire. You'll see me on Thanksgiving Day, but I'm never eaten. Pilgrims and Native Americans together is how I am completed. What am I? A Thanksgiving story.